That's crazy.
You look like you just took a shower and forgot to dry off. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day. So I just wanted to pop in really quickly while I'm cooking dinner. I'm making spaghetti for dinner, and I'm about to go and assist my husband because we have some awesome projects that we've been working on in the house this week, and we got a lot accomplished. Unfortunately, some of the projects we did not record just because I wanted to get it done and get it over with. So I did not record me cleaning out my closet. We did not record us putting our dresser together. But all the other projects that we've been working on, I definitely recorded, so that those videos should be coming out pretty soon. But now we are on we're working on a risky project, which I call it risky because it's electrical, and that's one thing that I typically do not deal with, and that's electrical, just because electrical fires is nothing to play with. And if you are not certified or you don't know what you're doing, just be careful. So we are installing a ceiling fan in our kids' room. And now initially the fan was supposed to go in the in our bedroom, in the adult suite. I don't want to call it the master suite, but it was supposed to go in the adult suite, but we changed our minds and we ended up putting it in the kids' room. And so we're gonna install it together now as soon as I finish with dinner. So I'm gonna finish up this prep and then I'm gonna go up and help him. Okay, so this is the kids' room, and we had a pendant light there, one of those like flush lights, and so he just took it out, and now he's trying to find the box, I believe, that goes in there so he can connect the electrical box that came with the ceiling fan and wire all that stuff together and then mount the ceiling fan. But I told him, I said, you gotta clean up all this mess. Because for one, I don't know why he didn't roll the rug up before, but this is the mess. It looks like it's literally snowing, and he is in the attic right now doing this. There's a entry point in our bedroom, so he went through there and walked over to the kids' room. He says that he doesn't need my assistance anymore. It literally looks like snow. This is not asbestos or anything like that. This is like insulation. It feels like cotton. But yeah, let's see what it looks like in there.
Yo, that's pieces right in. So this is in the stud, but I want to put my own piece up here. So I gotta take this off. Because I don't think it's going to work. I mean, it might.
So I'm sitting on the steps now, just waiting for him to come out of the attic. Apparently what he was trying to do isn't going to work. This house is old, like the structure of the house is old. The bar.
I guess if I get the hammer, right, you can get nails out if you do that with a hammer.
I don't know. I don't know what you're trying to do.
It's not a nail, it's like a staple.
Okay, so you can use the back of the hammer to remove the staple.
Oh man, I need somebody that's smaller.
I don't volunteer.
Oh, but it's just, so it's in the wood, but they attached it with a nail instead of a screw. I mean, not a nail, a staple. That's crazy.
So this was our first time doing anything like this. We have done other projects like painting. I've done some plumbing. My husband actually installed a dimmer on one of our previous light switches in our previous home, but we have never installed a ceiling fan or done anything to this magnitude. So this was definitely a learning process as we were installing it, or as he was installing it, because as you can see, I'm just assisting and he's doing majority of the heavy lifting and the hard work. Our house is old, and so some of the structural and the wiring and just how it's designed is a little old. So when we went in to install the lighting and install the electrical box, some things that would normally be in a newer home weren't there. So we had to go and purchase a rod, which is what we use to anchor the new electrical box, which is what you see here. And we didn't want to cut into the drywall anymore, and we wanted to make sure that everything was a nice snug fit. As you can see, there is a ring around where the new electrical box is. That is because the ceiling was painted after they installed that boob light. That's what they're called. And so we are probably going to have to go in and paint once we finish installing the ceiling fan. But hopefully the cover that comes with this will cover that area, and we won't have to do any additional work, because again, we're working by ourselves. We're just doing this and we're learning it as we go. And we're also losing daylight. I don't know if you can tell, but it's no longer light outside, and because we have the electricity off in this room, we are using an extension cord with one of my box lights that's in the room now, just to give us some light so we can see what's going on. Again, when you're dealing with electrical and plumbing, you want to be extremely careful, especially with electrical, because if anything goes wrong, it can cause a fire behind your wall and cause an electrical fire in your home, which is definitely not safe. So if you can, I would definitely encourage you to hire an electrician or someone who is well experienced in installing ceiling fans. However, if you definitely are a DIYer like us and you have experience with some sort of electrical work and you think that you could do this, I would definitely give you the thumbs up. Moment of truth. If you're still watching the video so far, thank you for sticking around. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way my video gets suggested to you and other people who may be interested in learning how to install a ceiling fan, or may be interested in purchasing this specific ceiling fan. If you are new to my channel, please be sure to press the subscribe button. I post videos weekly on lifestyle and home decor. And follow me over on Instagram at _JoannaMarie_. And if you're not new here, thank you for coming back. I appreciate your continued support. What I love about this fan is that you can control from your Alexa or Google Home devices, as well as the wireless remote control and your phone. You can control the temperature of the lights, whether you want them warmer or cooler, whether you want them brighter or darker, as well as the speed of the fan. Do you want them to rotate fast, slow, to the left or the right? Do you want to set it for the summer feature or the winter feature? And there's also a feature for natural wind speed, which gives it like you're outside walking and there's a nice crisp breeze blowing. I do love those features. So it allows me to be able to control all these different things from my wireless devices. And I like that because if my kids get cold in the middle of the night or they get warm in the middle of the night, with just a click of a button, I can just make all the changes I need. If you're interested in purchasing this ceiling fan, I'll leave the link in the description box below. Thank you for tuning into my video, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!